Hello YouTube. Thank you for watching again. What is this all about is an upgrade of my Tsprof kadet. And the same upgrade fits on Cadet Pro, and if you want further information you have to look into it by Tsprof. So what we have here is a new gliding hinge. I can show you the part number. Yes, that's the part number of it over there. The TSPT 2400640. That's a complete hinge, glide hinge unit. You see here the old one. It serves well. What I do is turn it. Oh, I will get the stand out. Turn by this leaning against it and go from there. And normally you have, mine was broken. One moment. Normally you use something like this. Oh, not out of the picture. Come on, something like this, and it will fit. I will take out the rod. Put it by side. Okay. Normally it will fit there. And as you see here, come in. If you see there and there, the forks will go into this slot and you can turn it. So, but it was broken off. I had to struggle for a long time. Hold it. I had to struggle for a long time, and what I had to do is what you just see, or go by hand and turn it that way. The point is, if you, I put the rod back in again, if you are grinding and it comes against the side wall of the gliding hinge, you will damage the rod. That's possible. So you have to adjust and go from there. You have your range. But if you have a longer knife, you have to adjust it again and go from there. Or you have to push it, but then you get damage the rod holder, the gliding unit. Yes, it's good. It's good. But the upgrade is even better. So I will take out this one by forehand. So and take out the new unit. So I lay this by side. And I put this a little bit outside. Okay, let's make me a little bit room. What you see here is something else. It's an upgrade of the how you call it? The gliding hinge for Cadet Pro. I don't know if they fit something else, but you have to look it up. There are so many advantages of it. That's just like this one. You have your base. If you are the thickness of the stones, you can. I have here some. You put your stone under there, and you compensate it, and you tie it up and go from there, and it's stuck, and you can turn it. So this is turning very roughly, but it's doable. But this is the same principle. You have here your brass compensator. If you, I will do it in the Tsprof, by the way. You compensate your thickness of the stones, and you tie it up, and the hinge will work, no problem. It's a little bit, I'll call it, not smooth, but a little bit tough to turn, but maybe if I can get it in, maybe it's going better. So we shall see. I have already seen the experiment of the Tsprof on their own channel. I will do a link to that video, and they will explain a lot of things more. I understand this bushing. What's in this bushing? You can push it out only one way. Come on, folks, please. Please, focus. Okay. You can push it out only one way, and that is that way. And you will, if you go to Tsprof, you will see how they do it. You need an hex screwdriver from 1.5 millimeters, and you see there a little hole there on the side, there, little hole. You can unscrew it and you can push it out. I don't do that because it's new and it's not necessary to do that now. So it's worn out, okay, and you can push it out and gently, if you put a new one in, gently tie it up, otherwise you will damage the bushing, because it's brass. And yes, so you can replace the brass piece of this. So without further ado, I will put this aside, and I like, by the way, they give me some stickers. I like this one, 100%. I have cat 2, red one. So thank you. Thank you, Tsprof. A little bit to me. Yes, I have to. Okay, Focus. Focused. Okay. What you do is the same with the old one. You place it. And you put in the rod. I don't do the stop on yet. So, it's light to turn. Very light to turn. Like that. By the way, you can change the angle. I think this is an angle from about a minimum of 28 degrees, and you can get it out a moment and you can switch it up. So the angle will be higher, so that you can. Oh, that's nice. Listen. And I didn't put oil on it yet. I had to play with this, what is better or not for the angle, what I do for what I do often. I understand, but I think I do it on the underside of not the top, the underside, and we go from there. So where is my spring? This spring I had laying around, and I had benefits of it. So, okay. And yeah, it's nice. It will follow you. I don't have to adjust it anymore with my hands. Ooh. There's part also. Also, I had made this stand. Maybe I zoom it out a little bit. Yep. Okay, yeah. You can see it here. Focus, please. Focus. There. This way, okay. No. Okay. So I had laying around. It's normally for if you have a tent and you put in this in the ground. I don't know how to call it in English, but here in the Netherlands we call it haring. And you put it in the ground and you secure your tent. I had laying around this kind because for tent is no. But I put it in some wood and I have a stand here, and I will use it. It's nice to have a stand that you can park it, but I like this better. I have more control over that. So, but you can park. Yes. I see huge benefits of it. So, okay. Oh, that's nice. You can park, and just like the old one, you do your stone between the base and the water holder, the gliding hinge, and you tie it up, and you have your height of your stone. So if you want to switch over to another stone, this is a borite T2 stone what I have here, and you have set your angle. So you can easily compensate, just like the old one. So you will keeping the same angle. So okay, like this way. So you keep it the same angle. That does change nothing. With this, it's working the same. Yes, I'm happy, and I'm gonna play with it and go from there. There's some minimum and maximum levels of if you turn it around, but I think you can better watch that on the official YouTube channel from Tsprof. I will link it down there. And they will explain there a lot better than I can do. But I'm very, very happy. Oh, I'm thrilled to try it out, and you will see it in the future videos what I will make about using it. Yes, I'm happy, and if you have questions about that, I think you can go better to the side of Tsprof. They can answer you better than I do about this system, this unit. I see a lot of benefits of it. Only this is all. Oh, this make me happy. This make me very, very happy. You are limited there, so don't push it hard, I see, but it goes very low. Yeah, you will limit here, quite, but that is what then you were grinding on the edge here. You don't want that. If you have a very steep angle, you probably switch it up, the down to up, and go from there, and you had another angle. We can do that. Let's see. I don't gonna tie it up, but I will. Yes. Okay. Oh, you can lay it on the ground. Okay, here we have it. Okay. Yes. Ali, you don't get park there, so you need something like this to hold it. But if you have a normal use and you do it down, yes, then you can park. Oh boy, I'm happy. Please thumbs up, thumbs up. Subscribe and leave a comment. Please leave a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.